Large Hadron Collider locks CERN's Run 3. A decade prior, researchers had the option to find the Higgs boson molecule and assist with figuring out the universe utilizing the Large Hadron Collider. They tried again later in 2018, opening new bits of knowledge on protons. Presently, with another host of inquiries, they intend to restart the atom smasher this month to perhaps better comprehend vast questions like dark matter. This is a molecule that has responded to certain inquiries for ourselves and given numerous others, Dr. Sarah Demers, a physical science teacher at Yale University, tells Newsman. The Higgs boson molecule was first seen when researchers at the European Centre for Nuclear Research, or CERN, turned and crashed particles together close to the speed of light. They did that by utilizing the world's biggest and most impressive atom smasher, the Large Hadron Collider. Beginning around 1964, physicists guessed this molecule existed, yet it required almost 50 years to track down proof. Researchers accept the Higgs field was framed a tenth of a billionth of a second after the Big Bang, and without it, stars, planets, and life could not have possibly arisen. The proof of the Higgs boson's presence was a significant achievement in crucial material science and drive. François Englert and Dr. Peter Higgs won a Nobel Prize in material science. Notwithstanding the logical accomplishment, the work in understanding how the universe works are nowhere near finished. The collider completed a second exploratory spat in 2018 that gave new bits of knowledge into the designs of protons and how the Higgs boson rots. Furthermore, after over 3 years of upkeep and updates, the collider will send off in the future on Tuesday, this time significantly increasing the information, keeping up with severe bars for longer, and for the most part, empowering more examinations. There must be more out there since we can't make sense of so many of the things that are around us, said Demers, who is additionally at CERN dealing with the third run. There's something huge missing, and by huge, we're discussing 96% of the universe huge. What Demers is alluding to is dull matter, which is undetectable matter accepted to exist from perceptions of the universe, and dim energy, which energizes the speeding up the extension of the universe. She trusts that the impending run will deliver understanding into the subtle yet overpowering greater part of our universe. In a news discharge, CERN stated, "Finding the responses to these and other captivating inquiries won't just further comprehension, we might interpret the universe at the littlest scales, yet may likewise assist with opening probably the greatest secrets of the universe all in all, for example, how it came to be, how it and its definitive destiny may be." The third run is supposed to happen in the following 4 years, and researchers are as of now beginning to chip away at Run 4, planned to start in 2030.